everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this gorgeous rug, but it's more than a rug. This is actually a mat for your chair. I have one of those plastic ones that looks kind of just ugly. This is gorgeous. So this is super thin. I wanted to show you up close. Look how thin this is. And it is sort of this soft, like rubbery material. It feels like there's a little bit of felt on the top, and the bottom is rubbery and non-slip. These are super easy to clean. You can use a vacuum cleaner. You can wipe it up with just a damp towel if you spill something. And the beauty of these is that you can put these under your desk chair. It keeps your home quieter, it protects your floors, and it just looks amazing. So let's put this down and see what it looks like. Okay, here is the chair mat. This is perfect for my hardwood floors. You could also use this on tile, even on top of carpeting. If you have carpeting that has like a higher pile to it and your chair won't move. Love the size of this. It is perfect to fit between my wall and my desk. It's heavy duty and it's protecting my floors, making the house quieter. And I really love that it makes my chair even easier to move than it did on the hardwood floors. I don't know why, but it's amazing. That's a really nice added bonus. This is comfy on my feet, and with that non-slip bottom, it is staying in place. These are also great for by your front door as a doormat because they're easy to clean. They are non-slip, and that super low profile keeps them in place. We are loving this one and think that you will too. Check it out. We highly recommend.